Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to set up cost element-wise budgets in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the main menu and open the Setup module. Under Setup Accounts, click to open Setup Cost Element-wise Budgets window. We have already created cost centers and cost elements. To learn how to set up cost centers, you can refer to the link provided. Now, select the cost element. Choose the period format, and based on the selected format, select either month and year or only year. Then, click on Refresh. Enter the budget values for the selected cost elements and save the changes. You can also define budget details by retrieving it through Excel. Use the Excel help option to understand the required columns. Then browse and select the sheet from your device. Click Refresh and save the details. Now, let's proceed to record the expenses in cash payment entry. If the cost center column is not visible here, you can enable it through the Set Column attributes. Enter the amount, account name, narration, and select the relevant cost center from the list. As soon as you choose the cost center, you can review the cost element budget value and the balance budget at the bottom, which will be updated after saving the current entry. Additionally, if the entry amount exceeds the defined budget, the software will display a warning message and show a negative budget value in red at the bottom, indicating that the cost element budget is being exceeded. This is only a warning, and the system will still allow you to save the entry. However, if you want to restrict this and prevent saving entries beyond the budget, open the Cash Bank Voucher configuration and, under Other Options to enable the option, Do Not Allow Entry Beyond Budget. Once this option is enabled, the system will restrict the entry and will not allow it to be saved if the budget is exceeded. Now, after saving this setting, create a new entry. You will notice that the software restricts the entry and does not allow it to be saved. To review Cost Center-wise budget analysis, navigate to the Reports and Queries module, and under Financial Analysis Reports, open Cost Center-wise budget analysis. Generate the report to view detailed insights, including the defined budget value, actual expenses recorded, and the budget difference. If the difference is shown as negative, it indicates that the budget for that cost center has been exceeded.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.